Welcome to the Praying Hands Glue Fix. Plus, I review various files. Here's some praying hands that one of the hands came unglued from the base, and it had been glued a couple of times before. I can see a couple of different kinds of glue on there. And I tried to pick some of that old glue off there, but didn't have much luck. So I pulled out some files. And I've got these here that I wanted to go over and maybe show you some different files. Here's a file card. There's wire on one side and a brush on the other. And you always know a file card because it has this little pick tool here. And that is used to pick debris out of your files. This is a heavy cut. I've heard it called a fender file before. And I use it for wood or drywall. You can see the white on there. Here's one that's not quite as heavy of a cut. It's got a little drywall stuck in there, so I'll go ahead. Here's a heavy cut bastard, a single cut lathe file. I can give it a couple of strokes. Yeah, that's cutting a little better there. And it's kind of like using sandpaper. You start coarse and go to fine. See, it's getting dirty on there from the file, but that won't hurt anything. I'm going to a finer single cut bastard file here that probably need to use my file card to clean that a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up as I go ahead and clean this file. There, it looks much better now. And it works better too. I'll speed this up as I try some different files here. This is a double cut file, a little more coarse, but it didn't seem to cut very well. I think it was dull. So I went back to my single cut lathe file. Used it for a while, and then I went back to the single cut file. And I even had a smaller file here for finishing it up. The files worked pretty good to get the thick parts of the glue off, but as I'm getting closer to the ceramic, I have now gone to some sandpaper. I have this old sanding block here that holds sandpaper, and now I'm sanding on this, and it's a lot easier too. I can round the edges a little bit here with the ceramic, something you really can't do with a file. I'll speed this up again for you here as I go ahead and sand on this. I sand quite a bit here, and then I go ahead and round the edges a little bit. There we go. As long as you get 50% of that surface all smoothed off, that little residual glue is down in recessed areas, so I think that's smoothed off pretty good. We'll go ahead and blow that out and glue it on. I'll be using of course, the E6000. Okay, and this surface here needs to be cleaned, so I've got a little rubbing alcohol. Get off any residual glues that are stuck on there with some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to use some of that on the bottom of this just to make sure that there isn't anything going to dust or anything. I've got this all blown out now. The dust is all out of the picture. Here's the E6000. I also have my apparatus here, and you've seen me use this a jillion times. I've got it all finagled around, I think, about the way I need it. So go ahead and get this glue on here. I'm going to go ahead and speed things up as I go ahead and put the glue on the bottom of this hand here. Okay, here we go. Pretty good. Set in their position. Now, to hold this in place, this is where my apparatus comes in. And if you use it in a fashion that the weight of it will push down on something. I do that all the time when I glue things, just to hold a little pressure right on top. So I'll set this off on a shelf somewhere and let that dry for a couple of days.
Thank you for coming to the corner today. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.